Good morning, Chasm listeners. This is Brittany Lenzmeier, Outreach and Program Coordinator with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your weekly conservation report for Saturday, August 6th. The first thing I'd like to talk about is that the Stearns County Environmental Services Department has funding available to assist homeowners in replacing or repairing subsurface sewage treatment systems. The funding comes from a grant received from the state of Minnesota. Eligibility for this grant requires that the sewage treatment system is non-compliant, the household has low income, the applicant owns and resides on the property for which the improvement is to be made, the property is a homesteaded single-family home or duplex. This grant program assists in financing the design, permit cost, and installation of an upgrade, repair, or replacement of a septic system that is non-compliant. The total amount of money available is limited and will be distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. Residents of Stearns County who think they may qualify and would like to apply can get more information and the application by calling Aaron Finke or Cole Lowen in the Stearns County Environmental Services Department at 320-656-3613. The purpose of these grants is to protect and restore water quality. The source of the funding is the Minnesota Clean Water Fund. This information was provided by the Stearns County Environmental Services Department. We are excited to announce that we are hosting our first photo contest. Stearns County is a diverse county that originates from the people who share a passion and understanding for agriculture and conservation. The Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District invites those across the county to submit their photographs for our first photo contest. Our photo contest will celebrate the great diversity of the county by highlighting conservation efforts, practices, and agriculture. The photo contest is open to any Stearns County resident, and each person may submit up to 4 photos in any of the following categories: wildlife habitat, lakes and rivers, agriculture, and urban conservation. Photos must be submitted digitally in high resolution. No physical or hard copies will be accepted. The photos must be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format. The photos must be taken in Stearns County, and the photos that are submitted may be shared and used by the Stearns County SWCD office in promotional materials. Photo entries will be accepted until 11:59 p.m. on September 30th, 2022. The selection process will be completed by mid to late fall. Those submitting photographs will be notified via email if one of their images was selected. Submissions not selected will not be notified. Photos will be judged by the Stearns County SWCD Board of Supervisors. Winning photos that are selected by the Stearns County SWCD Board will be recognized, and the first place winners for each category will receive a Visa gift card. For official rules, disclaimer, usage consent, and how to submit photos, visit our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/photo contest to learn more. Another thing I want to mention is that the Central Minnesota Dairy Field Day, hosted by the University of Minnesota, will be held on Tuesday, August 16th at Jansky's Farm near St. Augusta, Minnesota. The field day will focus on dairy management and the production of forages for farming operations in central Minnesota. This event will highlight the farm's utilization of robots, forage management, and the use of cover crops on the land and in the dairy cattle ration. Lunch will be provided at 1 p.m. by Compeer. Registration will begin at 9:30 a.m. with the event starting at 10 a.m. It is free to attend. However, registration is required to help accommodate for the meal. Registration can be completed at extension.umn.edu/event/Central Minnesota Dairy Field Day. If you have questions about the field day, contact Dana Adams, Extension Educator, at 320-255-6169, Extension 3. This information was provided by the University of Minnesota Extension. Just as a reminder that we will be co-hosting a free nitrate water testing event on Tuesday, August 16th from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Greenwald Pub in Greenwald, Minnesota. If you get your water from a private well, it is up to you to get your water tested to ensure your drinking water is safe. For more information on proper sample collection or general information about the event, contact our office at 320-251-7800 Extension 3 or visit our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/nitrate. And one last thing I would like to mention is that we are hosting a Prescribed Grazing Field Day on August 25th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Greg and Rebecca Simonyan's family farm, which is located near Avon. This field day will be focused on forage species, fencing techniques, grazing and cost share programs, and calculating forage rations. Information on the Minnesota Ag Water Quality Certification Program will also be presented. The field day is free and lunch is provided. However, pre-registration is required for lunch purposes by August 18th. For more information on our field day or to register, visit our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/prescribed grazing field day or call our office at 320-251-7800 Extension 3. You can stay up to date by liking and visiting our Facebook page. There you'll find event happenings, updates, program activities, and deadlines, and much more information. If you enjoy listening to the SWCD's weekly dirt tapes and would like to listen to them again, head on over to our YouTube page, and there you will find all previous dirt tapes. Again, this is Brittany Lenzmeier, Outreach and Program Coordinator with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District, signing off with your weekly conservation report.